sing the story. Holy, holy Lord, forevermore. Three songs rise like rivers of fire. Three voices join in heaven's choir. Redeemed, restored, we take our stand with the Lamb in the promised land. Sealed ones stand on Zion's mountain, hearts of gold in their hands they raise. Pure and true, they sing the new song. Only they can know its praise. Three songs rise like rivers of fire. Three voices join in heaven's choir. Redeemed, restored, we take our stand with the Lamb in the promised land. From the altar, prayers are rising. Clothed in white, they shout His fame. Through the trial, through the dying, now they reign in Jesus' name. Three songs join as thunder above.